friends, welcome to the videos like this on screen. I'm showing you the top part here. You can create these videos using just AI. That's right, you can simply create a text script and then use this artificial intelligence to make videos like the one playing for you, simple videos like this, okay? You won't waste time, just describe the video and you can make it right on your device. Then you can post it on your social media and watch it go viral. And the best part, folks, is that it's all free. I'll show you how to create this type of video using two artificial intelligence tools. The first is ChatGPT, and I'll show you the second one now. To create videos like the one I showed you, you'll need to open your Google browser and type this name in the search bar in video.ai. This AI is one of the best for generating any type of video from a script or text that you'll create using ChatGPT. Have you opened this Google page and searched? The first option is in Video's AI tool. Click on it to access the platform's settings. This platform is great for creating videos. You can see some sample videos in its interface. You'll be able to create this type of model. You'll even be able to make these videos with text, script, and voice, okay? It's really cool. You can put your video in any language you want, and many influencers already use it. It's great because you can use it for free. I'll show you. I'm logging into my account and I'll be right back with you. I'm in my account now, and look at this to start. You'll need to log in, okay? Use Gmail or any valid email, then enter the area where you'll create videos, alright? It's very easy and simple. You'll come to this option. If you're opening in a browser, it might look a bit different. You'll open this option, create all videos. You'll click here. It'll open this section here. And this is where you'll put the script or text you want for your video to use, okay? How are you going to do this? We'll open ChatGPT here and it'll give us options to use. I'll open it and be right back to show you. I'm now inside ChatGPT, okay? You can also type OpenAI in Google, right? ChatGPT is completely free to access here, okay? But there's also a paid version. If you want to use the paid version, you get more tools besides this one. But I'll use this simple one to show you how to do it for free. Now look at this. I put in the description for it to create a video for me, okay? A video talking about AI, and it already gave me a script. It gave me the intro, first scene, second scene, and third scene. It gave me the fourth scene, and finally the ending. So it'll create a script and make a video based on this description. I'll copy and paste it into the video.ai tool to start making the video. I'll be right back. Alright, I've put it here, copied the description, I'll paste it, and it's already pasted everything for me, okay? You might need to remove this last part here, see? I think you'll need to remove this last part. It's just a summary how long the video will be. and so on. Let me delete this completely nice and clean, okay? And I'm also going to delete this part, the beginning, okay? You can delete this here. Okay, I'll leave it here and generate it. Let's take a look. I'm deleting this, keeping just the introduction and so on. Let's see introduction. All right, I've deleted it. You can open Notepad and edit it before sending it here. It'll start creating your video based on the script we got from ChatGPT. So let's wait, okay? Until it finishes all the video creation steps, I'll show you how the video turned out and play it for you. It's the best AI for making videos today. Got it? Let's wait for it to finish, then we'll watch the full video. Remember, this tool has a paid version and a pro version too. With the pro version, you'll be able to use additional features if you're using this professional tool, okay? Let's wrap up the video here, and I'll be back to show you the final result. After finishing the first part of the process, it'll ask how you want the video, alright? 4 minutes, 10 minutes, and so on. It'll also show audience options, professionals, students, or general public. It'll also display platform options, okay? You can choose YouTube, YouTube Shorts, or even LinkedIn. Select the platform you prefer for uploading your content. Once chosen, click Continue to generate the full video. It'll bring you to this screen. Just wait for the process to finish so we can access the video. We're going to watch it here to show you how it turned out using this tool. Alright, that's the final step to get to the video. I'll be showing you how this video turned out. The video is ready and I'll play it now to show you the final result, okay? Ready, okay? Now, watch the full video to see how this AI tool works. It turned out great, as you can see. I've removed the audio, alright, due to copyright, but look at the amazing things this tool can do. With just a few taps on your phone, you'll be able to create pro videos for posting on your social media. And you can also upload them to YouTube and make shorts or quick videos to monetize and earn money. This tool is totally free with an app you can download from the App Store. You can download it for free and use it as the tool is completely free. If you enjoyed this video and found this tool useful, I'd like to ask you to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos I'll be sharing about free AI tools you can use daily to easily make some extra cash. Got it? So, without further ado, see you in the next video.